Hey pandas, welcome back for another mukbang. Today, I'm so excited. I'm excited about this. Look. This is a hot Cheeto chicken sandwich with a donut bun. I made my sandwich how I would normally make it. Just the only thing that's different is the bun. I have cheese, lettuce, pickles, a little spicy. Well, it's not really spicy, but a little twangy sauce or whatever. I cut the chicken breast in half, down the middle and in half, so it could fit on this perfectly. So this was supposed to be 4, but one was too thin, so I just made 3. Probably not gonna eat this all. So look at this. Look at how it's looking. It's perfect. And I got the cheese on the bottom to keep stuff from coming out the yeah, okay. You know, oh, and then right here, of course, I got some bacon ranch pasta salad. And of course, DOG Powerade. Okay, so I'm done. Let's take a bite. That is actually really good. I was gonna bring some buns on the side, just in case I didn't like this donut. But it's like sweet, and I don't like Krispy Kreme donuts, so this is Walmart donuts. They're like thicker in texture. You know, Krispy Kreme donuts, it's just like air on the inside. They're just nothing on the inside of the donut. You know, right here. These donuts are thicker. You know, get more. That's so good. I've been dying for this pasta salad. Okay. I made this on Sunday and I was supposed to binge eat it. But I used to put extra bacon bits. I forgot my microphone. Hold on, y'all. Okay, it might be a sound change. Hopefully it works. It's like a syrupy. I don't know how to describe how this donut goes with it. I already love hot Cheeto chicken sandwiches, but this is different. I'm not saying this is how I'm going to be making my stuff all the time, but this is so good. remember I went to this party and somebody made this pasta salad, and it was so good. But when I went home and tried to make it, not the same. Trying to see which one I'm gonna eat next. I'm probably gonna be able to eat two of these. Thick one. I don't know. Put that right there so y'all can see it. Or is this the thick one? I don't know. Real thick pieces of chicken, I can't get down with that. I have my pickle. Come on, hot. Hope this don't give me a tummy ache. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. All right. I try to plan out my videos ahead of time. We go grocery shopping every week, so I have to know what I want to cook. Because I don't like going back and forth to the store. I'm not that type of person. That gets on my nerves. The chicken is so good. It's good. Hot Cheeto crusted chicken. It's just something about it. It don't really taste like hot Cheetos, you know, but it has a little twang, a little type of twang to it. I was excited about this. I was like, let me hurry up and eat before it gets too cold. Oh, I thought I stopped recording. No. For some reason, I'm not digging this pasta salad. For some. I got a big old tub of it in there too. Can't even talk. I'm enjoying this too much. Um, I have to watch how I eat because of this belly. I think I'm not as full as I really am, but as soon as I stand up, my stomach is like, you know, fuller than I thought. Maybe my stomach is in a certain different position. Excuse me, when I sit down. But this, whew, baby taking up all the space. No space for food. Only a couple more weeks, and it's over with. It's the chicken that's fire. I don't know. Mm-hmm. It's the chicken that's slapping. I hope I got a thumbnail. Cause I'm sitting here acting like I'm not with y'all, not with me. I'm eating my food, just looking at it like I was in daze. I need to be safe and not eat no dang on. It's hot. I'm probably have a sweater on. I'm not really that hot, but I really want this. You know how you want the continuous taste in your mouth? You want to keep tasting something, but so good. I don't like to eat old stuff, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I know the donut gonna get hard later on. Should I eat this? I feel like I got enough room. Yes, because these are halves compared to the whole. Let me try to make excuses. Mm. This is a big piece of chicken. I'm full for real now. Full. Look. Making me sick. I don't know what it is. Maybe that's the mayonnaise or something. Okay, I can't eat no more. When you look at it and it feel like you're gonna throw up, you're done, boo. You're done. Drink the rest of my Powerade though. Excuse me. Ooh. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. You have to try it. Just get your favorite type of donut. I don't like Krispy Kremes, but if you love Krispy Kreme, then try it with that. I made mine like a regular sandwich, just with a donut bun. So, yeah, this was delicious. It's real good. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you pandas in my next video. Bye.